ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ka sarkar kala Weng no ya ka Bhah Pule Mbbs jong Wei Samla ubana East Giant Hills uba yo ya kani ka Bhah lengba ka unreserved seat. La Weng no ya u hadian ba u Deputy Commissioner ula pentikna ba ka jingyo certificate Shnong lani ka residential certificate jong u kalong ka Shai. Na ka benta gitu ki Wei pat ki Shai ka jinglong try Shnong jong ki ka sarkar kala Bhah ya ki permanent residential certificate jong ki syagi DC khnang ba ki DC kinshim ya karai ka bakhaddo lagi day na ki try Shnong. Kumban syupun kan mau hang ni ba nakaliang ka Khasi Students Union ka persya ya ka jingyo Bhah Pule Mbbs ki brieu ki bumday ki riulom namar ka jingbum Shai ki kot kisla jongki.
After due processing of the list of eligible selected candidates for allotment of Mbbs seat became controversial because of several details that were indicated to government at that point of time. We have sent the provisional PRCs to the various districts, giving them an instruction that henceforth there shall be no more issuance of a provisional certificate. A permanent residence certificate is a permanent residence certificate. We had vetted through the Department of Law. We had also vetted through the Department of Political. And it was decided that all these provisional permanent PRCs should be sent back to the DCs, and the DCs should decide once and for all whether or not these candidates were eligible or not eligible to be given the seats. And in that exercise, barring one, a candidate from East Giant Hills has been denied the seat because the DC has reviewed the issuance of the provisional PRC and has deemed it fit to disqualify the candidate for not being eligible for the issuance of a PRC. So one candidate from East Giant Hills has been denied the seat now, and that seat will be duly accorded to the next person in the waiting list of the unreserved category.